Did you know you can't go live on YouTube until live streaming is enabled? You'll need to verify your account by providing a phone number. And it can take YouTube up to 24 hours to complete the process. Today we'll show you how to activate live streaming and share a bonus tip. First, make sure you're on a computer and logged into your YouTube channel via YouTube Studio. In the top right corner, click Create. From the menu that appears, select Go Live. If this is your first time, you'll see a prompt to enable streaming. Now click Request to begin the process. To access live streaming, you'll need to provide a phone number. Click Verify and follow the simple on-screen prompts to verify your phone number. It can take up to 24 hours for YouTube to activate live streaming on your account. And there's no way to speed this up, so we highly recommend you complete these steps at least a day before your first scheduled live stream. While you're waiting, plan your live stream, set up your streaming tools, prepare your metadata and assets, promote your upcoming live stream, build up anticipation, share it in newsletters or emails, explore multi-streaming, expand your reach by live streaming on multiple platforms simultaneously. Remember, this is simple and easy with Switchboard Live. So how do you know you've been approved? After 24 hours, return to YouTube Studio. Click Create and select Go Live. A Welcome to YouTube Live control room will display, giving you options to start a live stream. Bonus tip: unlock advanced features. Now that you've enabled live streaming, take the final step and enable advanced features, which unlocks extra benefits such as adding external links in your video descriptions, create more live streams daily, create more shorts daily, test and compare thumbnails, and upload more videos daily. Here's how to activate advanced features. Go to YouTube Studio, click on Channel Settings. Under the Feature Eligibility tab, expand option number 3, Advanced Features, and then click on Access Features. YouTube will provide several options for you to complete the process, including video verification, submitting a valid ID, or building your YouTube channel history. Going live on YouTube is just the beginning. For businesses, cities, and organizations, being active on multiple platforms is key to maximizing reach. Ready to maximize your reach? Visit switchboard.live. Thanks so much for watching, and remember to follow us for more tips like these. Take care.